Dear students, hope you are well. This is Sheikh Midal Islam. I'm back. Now we are facing a great problem for coronavirus. So we need to stay home. For these circumstances, I'm trying to take a class here. My subject is Bangladesh and Global Studies, Chapter 3, page 10. And today's lesson name is Ethnic Groups of Bangladesh. At first, we will know what is ethnic groups. Ethnic means human, group means community. In Bangladesh, we all live. That means we all are Bengali. But some people who are living here since a long period of time and who are different from us by physical shape, language, culture, and thoughts. They are ethnic groups. A group of people who share a similar culture, language, religion, and other characteristics that is often handed down from one generation to the next. A group of people who identify with one another, especially on the basis of national, cultural, or religious ground. Finally, we can say ethnic groups like to show them difference from others. Let us start from the beginning. There are more than 45 different ethnic groups in Bangladesh. They help to make our society so diverse. Because of many ethnic groups, our society has diversity. Some ethnic groups are Chakma, Marma, Sautal, Manipuri, Mro, Chak, Khumi, Tripura, Garo, and so on. We will discuss about some ethnic groups in this lesson. In this lesson, we will know about Chakma. They are our largest ethnic group. Most of them live in Rangamati and Khagrasuri region. They are mainly Buddhist. The largest ethnic group by population is Chakma, who live in Rangamati and Khagrasuri region, and they are mainly Buddhist. They follow the Buddha religion. Their lifestyle. The Chakma have their own language and alphabet. They have their own music and dance in their native language. Chakma has their own language, alphabet, dance, music, and that is different from us. They are ruled by a king, and each village has its own chief. The chief is called Karvari by the Chakma. Actually, Chakma are ruled by king, and in their village, in every village, they has a chief that is called who is called Karvari. The Chakma make their house on a platform with a wood or bamboo. Alike platform. Platform means a raised level surface on which people or things can stand, like a stage. What is up from the ground, and their house is made of wood and bamboo. Their agriculture is based on the Zoom method. Actually, Zoom is a process, cultivation process, that is organized in the hilly region. In this method or in this process, previous crops are burnt and the ashes are put into the holes for sowing new seeds and planting new seeds in holes. In Zoom method, they need to burn old crops for planting new seeds, and their staple food is rice. They like to take rice because rice is their staple food. Cloths. The Chakma weave pattern fabric on looms. Chakma weave their own dress on loom. The women wear floor-length skirt called pinon and hadi tops. The lower part dress of Chakma women are pinon like skirt and upper part is hadi like scarf. Festivals. The Chakma celebrate all the main Buddhist festivals. Particularly, Buddha Purnima is celebrated in the month of Boishak. Though Chakma follow the Buddhist religion, that's why they celebrate all the Buddhist festival and they celebrate Buddha Purnima in Boishak and Biju for 3 days over Bengali New Year. During festival, they decorate their house with flowers and exchange greetings with each other. In Bengali New Year, for 3 days, they celebrate festival that is called Biju for 3 days, and at this time they decorate their house with flowers and enjoy a lot and exchange greeting with each other. Now in the picture we can see Chakma's house that is built at the hill slope. Slope means raising or falling surface. Now here are some notes about Chakma life. Make a similar list under the headings house, food, agriculture, lifestyle, own language, alphabet and music, rule by king and village chiefs, clothes, fabric, oven on looms, festivals, Buddhist festival. We can make a box like this for house for made of bamboo and wood. Now food, rice. Now agriculture, Zoom method. Take the right answer. Which part of Bangladesh do the Chakma live? In the lesson we have seen Chakma live in Rangamati and Khagrasuri, that is situated in the southeast part of Bangladesh. That's why answer will be southeast. Now page 12 about Marma. The Marma are the second largest ethnic group in Bangladesh after the Chakma. Most of the Marma live in Bandarban, Khagrasuri and Rangamati region. Marma is the second largest ethnic groups by population and they live in Bandarban, Khagrasuri and Rangamati. That means they live in Chattogram hill tracts. Now their lifestyle. The Marma are also ruled by a king and village chiefs like Chakma. Their houses are built up on highland platforms like Chakma. They like to eat rice and boiled vegetables and also a dried fish called nappi. Marma like to eat and boiled vegetables and their special dish is nappi, that is dried fish. They also grow plants by the Zoom method. Beside this, they catch fish, weave fabrics to earn their livelihood. By selling all these, they earn their livelihood. As like Chakma, Marma follow the Zoom method and they not only follow Zoom method but also catch fish, weave fabric and sell it in the market for their livings. They used to gather herbs for medical treatment, but now they use modern medications like others. Once upon a time, they depend on herbs for medical treatment, but nowadays they are taking modern medications or modern medicine like us. Now clothes. Traditionally, Marma men always wear thami and women angi, but today they often wear modern dress as well. There has a change, though they usually they used to use their traditional dress thami and angi, but nowadays they are using modern dress like us. Now festivals, the Marma people celebrate all the Buddhist festivals. Each month they celebrate the full moon or Levre. Though Marma are Buddhist, they celebrate Buddhist all the festivals, and in every month they celebrate Levre program in full moon. They also celebrate festival called Sangrein on the second day of Boishak, and they organized a program, or they celebrate a program named Sangrein, that is in the second day of Boishak, and in this program they enjoy water sports on this special day. In this day they enjoy a lot, and they play or they enjoy water sports that is called in Bengali Jol Keli. Uh, Here's a photo. We can see here a wedding ceremony. Here, uh, men, the men wear a traditional dress called thami, and the women wear traditional dress called angi. Now here's the two question. In what ways are the Marma similar to the Chakma? The ways are king, village chiefs, house, etc. Which two aspects of Marma culture have been changed a lot? Two aspects of Marma culture have been changed a lot are modern medical treatment, and modern dress. Now, in pairs, write notes about the Marma lifestyle according to the three headings of the table. House. On highland platform made of wood and bamboo. Food, boiled vegetables, nappi. Agriculture, jum. Take the right answer. How many Lavri festivals do the Marmas celebrate each year? In the lesson we have seen in every month Marma celebrate lovely festivals. So answer will be 12. Some spelling to write and learn for you. Diverse, very different, medication, medicine, livelihood, living, platform, a raised level surface on which people or things can stand, patterned, decorate with a recurring design, slope, a rising or falling surface. Hope you will read the lesson and try to understand with the help of your parents. Now but today, stay home, be safe, and see you again. Bye bye.